Hello children, in today's video we are going to see about the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, under which we are going to see in detail about the wildfires, conservation of forest, wildlife and degradation of wildlife. Let's move into the video. What are wildfires? It is an uncontrolled fire that occurs in forests. So it is another cause for the destruction of forest and the scrubland. So countries like Indonesia, Australia and Greece, they suffer from frequent wildfires. So in Indonesia, from mid-1997 to May 1998, more than 8 million hectares of forest were burnt. Most of the wildfires, especially in Indonesia, were started by humans seeking to clear land for growing crops. We are entering into a very important term, that is the conservation of forest. So the government of India has declared many forests as the reserve forest and the protected forest. These forests will be owned by the government, and the government reserves the right to allow people to enter these forests and use its products. In that way, they can protect the forest. What is the main difference between the reserved and the protected forest? In the reserved forest, the right to all activities like hunting and grazing are banned. It is not allowed unless there are some specific orders issued by the government. In the protected forest, the rights to all activities like hunting and grazing are allowed. They are permitting, they are allowing, unless specific orders are issued. So comparatively, which one is the most protected one? Yes, the reserved forest. So thus the reserved forest enjoy greater protection than the protected forest. What is meant by wildlife? It refers to all the animals that are non-domesticated like mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds and insects found in an area. Okay, now why this wildlife is an important resource? We term wildlife as an important resource. Why? Because these wildlife only, they maintain the ecological balance and it will satisfy the human needs. We'll see that in detail. So the animals, they maintain the ecological balance in nature. Okay. And for the human needs, yes, human hunt wildlife for meat and hide. Yes, in front of you, you see a slide which describes the food chain in the ecosystem. Now from the light, sunlight and water, these plants prepare their own food. Okay, they produce their own food. Now we can see the herbivore. These herbivores feed on the producers. They feed on the plants. So herbivores are animals whose primary food source is plant based. Okay. Now next one is the carnivores. The carnivores, they feed on the herbivores. So the carnivores are the animals that eat other animal. The word carnivore is derived from the Latin, which means the meat eater. Okay, so these carnivores, they feed on the herbivores. Now coming to the omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat both plant and animal derived food. Here, the scavenger. When the omnivores and carnivores die, okay, these scavengers, they feed on these dead organic matter. The remains will get mixed into the earth and provide food to the plants. So thus the cycle is complete. So it is very, very important to protect our wildlife to maintain the ecological balance on the earth. Degradation of wildlife. Over a period of years, there has been a significant degradation and depletion of wildlife. And this is purely due to the changes in climatic conditions and human interference, which have caused the loss of the natural habitats of animals, and it is of course due to the deforestation. Animals and birds like tiger, lion, elephant, ostrich, peacock, all these animals are poached for their hides. Hides are the treated skin for the human use and also for the nails, teeth, horns and feathers. So why they are doing it so? So there is an illegal market for these goods in various parts of the world. Okay, so as a result, what happens? Many species have become vulnerable or endangered. Added to that, the indiscriminate mining, deforestation, soil erosion, constructions, forest fires, change in monsoons, inadequate rainfall, earthquakes, landslides, tsunami, all these natural and human-made factors will lead to the extinction of wildlife. So there is an urgent need to control this situation. Yes children, in today's video we saw about the wildfires, conservation of forest, and we saw about the wildlife and the degradation of wildlife. In the next video we will be seeing about the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and the biosphere reserves in detail. Thank you children.